Hey, in this video I'll be giving a quick tutorial on how to set up the HadouCAN, which is the CAN to USB adapter from Suburban Embedded. I'll be showing you guys how to receive and send your own CAN packets. And I'll be using Linux and the serial communication program Minicom, so if you want to get started, just make sure you have that installed on your computer. To show you guys how to receive packets, I went ahead and hooked up my HadouCAN to my car via an OBD2 cable. And then I just plugged in my HadouCAN to my computer via USB and put the car in auxiliary mode. From here, I just opened a new terminal and open up Minicom in setup mode by typing minicom-s. I went down to serial port setup and pressed A to edit the device name to be /dev/tty capital ACM0. And then from here, I typed capital O to open the channel to allow CAN traffic on the HadouCAN. And as you can see, here's the CAN traffic for the car. And to make things easier to view, I typed Control A and Z to pull up the Minicom command menu and pressed A to add a line feed. And now we can view the CAN traffic in a much easier way as it's all on separate lines. And each time the HadouCAN receives a CAN packet, a green LED flashes on the device, as you can see here on the left. And that's how you know that the HadouCAN is receiving CAN traffic without viewing it in any sort of program. So that's a simple way to view CAN packets from your HadouCAN using Minicom. For a full list of all the commands that we can send to the HadouCAN as well as the specifications for the device, we can look at the user guide, and I'll put a link to this in the description so you guys can check it out. And on pages 14 and 15, all of the commands that you can send to the device can be found. As you can see, in the middle is the ASCII string that you send, and then on the left and right are a description of what each command does. And to send your own packets, on pages 11, 12, and 13, all of the packet formatting can be found. And as you can see, each packet starts off with a single character denoting what kind of packet it is, followed by a 3 or 8-digit hexadecimal ID, followed by a data length character, and then the data itself. And each packet is finished off with a carriage return character. And to demonstrate exactly what this looks like, I went ahead and hooked up the HadouCAN to another CAN USB device and turned on canned up for that device. And on the left here, we have our Minicom window open for our HadouCAN. So I'll just be sending 4 short packets to illustrate what this looks like. I'll be sending 2 non-FD packets for standard and extended length, as well as 2 FD packets also for standard and extended length. And I'm typing them in a Minicom, but unfortunately you can't see what I'm typing. So on the screen here, I put exactly what I typed. On Minicom, often you can leave off the carriage return character if you turn on the setting that adds it automatically. So you may just want to leave off that character. But as you can see here on the right, the IDs, data length, and the data itself is showing up. So that's an easy way to send your own packets through Minicom. If you want to write a program to send packets so you don't have to type them all out, we created a support library on GitHub called the HadouCAN util library. And this provides I/O support for the HadouCAN as well as the Linux socket CAN interface. So if you want to write your own program to send or receive CAN packets, or convert between the HadouCAN ASCII text string and the CAN frame that the socket CAN interface uses, feel free to use this library. So that's going to be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, be sure to leave them below and we'll get back to you. Thank you for watching.